Subscribe now to Next Gen Motors for the latest updates on the most exciting vehicles of tomorrow and stay ahead in the world of cutting-edge automotive tech. Welcome to our detailed review of the all-new 2026 Mack Pickup Truck, a groundbreaking entry in the world of high-performance trucks, reviewed especially for our viewers in the USA and Germany. In this video, we dive into everything from sports capabilities to engine specs and smart features that make this model stand out in an increasingly competitive market. Mack has long been known for its rugged, durable heavy-duty trucks, but the 2026 Mack Pickup marks a major leap forward into a whole new territory. Designed with a bold and aggressive exterior, this truck captures attention on highways and off-road trails alike. The front grille features a reworked, industrial look with integrated LED lighting and a signature emblem that's unmistakably Mack. For American truck lovers who admire muscle and presence on the road, and German audiences who appreciate precision and engineering finesse, this truck offers the best of both worlds. The 2026 Mack Pickup Truck is built on an all-new chassis that emphasizes durability and performance. With a high-strength steel frame and a reinforced suspension system, it can handle the roughest terrains with ease. Mack has also introduced an advanced multi-link rear suspension for better road handling and a more refined ride. Whether you are navigating the rocky backroads of Colorado or driving through the autobahns of Germany, this truck delivers stability and confidence. Under the hood, Mack gives us two engine options. The base model comes equipped with a turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 410 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. But for those wanting more power, the flagship variant is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine cranking out a staggering 510 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, the Mack Pickup is more than capable of hauling heavy loads, towing large trailers, or sprinting through open highways with ease. In terms of sports performance, this truck is no slouch. Despite its size, the advanced engineering and aerodynamic tuning give it impressive acceleration and braking performance. The V8-powered model hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks in its class. An active sport mode adjusts throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering feedback, transforming this beast into a performance machine. For German viewers accustomed to high-speed precision on the Autobahn, the Mack Pickup surprisingly lives up to expectations. Step inside the cabin and you are greeted with a futuristic yet functional interior. Premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen dominate the dashboard. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with voice command, integration in English and German. A digital instrument cluster displays real-time vehicle data, including torque distribution, tire pressure, and even G-forces during aggressive driving. Connectivity is a highlight with built-in 5G capability, over-the-air software updates, and a full suite of smart assistance features. Speaking of features, safety and convenience are both prioritized. The 2026 Mack Pickup includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and autonomous emergency braking. For American families or German professionals alike, these advanced features provide peace of mind on daily commutes and long journeys. A unique addition is the smart trailering system, which allows you to monitor and control trailer functions via your smartphone, whether you are hitching up a boat or hauling industrial equipment. For off-road enthusiasts, Mack has developed a special Off-Road Pro trim which includes locking differentials, underbody skid plates, terrain management systems, and 35-inch all-terrain tires. From the deserts of Nevada to the snowy trails of Bavaria, this trim ensures the truck is capable of handling anything you throw at it. Fuel efficiency is also addressed with a hybrid variant in the works, expected to arrive later in 2026. Mack claims it will reduce fuel consumption by up to 30% without sacrificing towing capacity or performance. This will be a game changer, especially in regions where fuel prices are a significant concern. Mack has clearly designed the 2026 pickup to be a global contender. With its impressive mix of power, style, technology, and rugged performance, it speaks to the needs of both American and German truck enthusiasts. Whether you prioritize towing, speed, comfort, or cutting-edge tech, this truck delivers on nearly every front. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the 2026 Mack Pickup Truck here on Next Gen Motors. We hope you enjoyed this review as much as we enjoyed creating it. Subscribe for more automotive insights, reviews, and future-focused content. Like the video, share it with your fellow truck fans, and let us know in the comments what feature impressed you the most or what truck you want us to review next. See you in the next one.